Welcome everybody. Welcome back to another episode. I've got some offcuts that I've had sitting in the shop for a little bit. I don't know what to do with them. Spalted maple offcuts that I had from a previous project, excuse me. Been looking at these, trying to figure out what I'm going to do with it. You can see I've got it mounted up on my chuck already. I had some leftover walnut stock from a previous project as well. And actually this walnut came from our salad bowl that you guys seem to absolutely love. And I thank you very much for all the views on that video. You guys have absolutely just blown that up. It's way more than I anticipated. Thank you very much. There is a difference though. You guys that are watching this, if you have not subscribed yet, ask yourself why. Why haven't you subscribed? You watch the video. You should subscribe to see more of stuff like this. But I do thank you for all your views. Thank you so much. So this spalted maple, which if you guys know anything about it, does like to do some pretty interesting things. So I've got some challenges ahead of me. But this walnut, very hard as well. So we're going from super soft, super hard. It's an emotional roller coaster. But guys, I can't wait to see what this looks like. If you guys are liking the content, if you guys like these turns, give it a thumbs up. If you guys enjoy what you've been watching, go ahead and subscribe. It should be right down here. Hit the subscribe button and then finish watching the video. Why not? It doesn't hurt anything and it's free. Spalted maple, walnut into a bowl. Let's see how it turns out. I would also like to thank Acks wood paste for sending me a little test product. And I was super excited. And quite frankly, I was getting ready to buy some. I wanted to try it so bad. But I have some. Thank you to Acks. And we're going to try this today. I'm really looking forward to seeing how that turns out. So thank you again for watching. Guys, stick around. It's about to get interesting. So as you may be able to see or not see, I don't know, there's still quite a bit of tear out. This spalted wood is extremely soft. So it's kind of a fine art to get this to not tear out. But I've got it down to the point where I can sand. interesting development. You guys can't hear this, but it's starting to talk. She's got just enough heat in it that she's starting to talk to me. It's starting to kind of crinkle and pop. I'm not going to be too worried about it. But this is an awful big jug. I'm going to add some denatured alcohol to clean the pores up on the inside, clean this rim on the outside. All right, folks. Well, that's about it. We've got this bowl finished, and I'm extremely happy with it. The Acks paste and conditioning is absolutely amazing. I can't say enough. This bowl started off kind of questionable. I wasn't sure how it was going to turn out, but this turned out nice. There was still some tear out in there, but that's there's not a lot I can do with that. But guys, I want to thank you so much for joining me on this little journey to make this bowl. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope to see you more. And if you did enjoy this, please hit the thumbs up button and go ahead and hit the subscribe button. It's greatly appreciated if you could. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next time.